Best English Akademi kanalına hoş geldiniz.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
The red bag. It is Monday morning. Police officer Emma goes to work. She drinks coffee and checks her phone. The rain is soft outside. Suddenly the phone rings. "There is a problem at the train station," says the voice on the line. Emma grabs her coat and leaves quickly. At the station, she meets a man. He looks worried. "I saw a red bag," he says. "It's been there for hours. No one takes it." Emma looks at the bag. It is big and old. It sits quietly under a chair in the waiting area. No one is near it. "Whose bag is this?" she asks. No one answers. She calls the police dog. The dog sniffs the bag and barks loudly. Emma opens the bag slowly. Inside she finds a phone, a map, a lot of money. Emma pulls out a piece of paper from the bag. The note says train 7, 10:30, take the bag. She looks at the time. It is 10:25. Emma waits, standing still. At 10:30, a man walks in. He looks around. He walks directly to the red bag. Emma steps forward. "Excuse me, sir. Is this your bag?" The man looks at her, then turns and runs. Emma chases him through the station. She is fast. The man tries to escape, but Emma catches him. She calls for backup. They arrest the man. At the police station, the man talks. His name is Mark. He is part of a big crime group. He planned to take the money and escape on train 7. Emma asks him, "Who sent you?" Mark looks at her, but says nothing. Then he whispers, "Someone inside the station." Emma thinks for a moment. She knows the answer. It is someone she met earlier, someone who looked too calm, the station manager. Emma immediately calls for backup again. They arrest the manager. The case is closed. The red bag and the money were the key to solving everything.
Okay, time to look at the questions. Let's see the answers.
Kanalımıza abone olun, İngilizce dinleme pratiğinizi başlatın ve gelişiminizi hızlandırın.